Hi guys, I'm not much of a gamer, but whenever I do, I really like to play the old legacy classic arcade games. One of my favorite arcade game is Galaxian among many other. Galaxian is really very therapeutic, at least for me. It's very simple, nothing fancy, but it does the job. I just wanted to see if ChatGPT would be able to build this game for me without me writing a single line of code. So I'm going to ChatGPT now. I haven't done it before, so I just wanted to do in front of you. All I'm going to ask ChatGPT is build me the classic arcade game Galaxian, playable on my desktop in Windows. Please don't ask me anything and just build it so that I can play. So what I'm doing here is I'm making sure that ChatGPT doesn't ask me um, to do anything in terms of code. I'll just say play in browser, maybe it will make it easier. Okay, let me press enter. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it is not building it, but it is just providing me the code. So it has, so let's wait what it does. Okay, so it is providing me the code instead of the game. Let me let me stop it and then ask it again. Maybe I'll just press stop here. No, I want you to build that game. Just make it as simple as possible, but build it. Let's see. No, it is not really. Okay, but it is saying that it is going to write a simple code for a space shooter game that you can run in your browser. This code will create a canvas, a player controlled ship, and allows you to move the ship left and right. Okay, that is good. Good enough for me. Let's wait for it to come back. So ChatGPT has written me this code, and then it is saying that copy the code into text editor, save the file with .html, and then open the file in the browser. So I saved it, and when I open it, it just shows me this. So which is sort of it doesn't run. So maybe I also tried it out in my Chrome, but it doesn't work either. Let me ask that from ChatGPT. Maybe I'm going to just upload the file here and then ask it. It doesn't work in browser and just shows green box on canvas. Let's see. So there you go. It is now it is now fixing the code. Let's see if it works this time or not. So it regenerated the code. I tried it out, but same issue. So let me ask it. It's not working in browser. Can you build this for my Android phone? And I will try there. Let's see, because there might be some restrictions on JavaScript or something like that on my browser. Let's see. So again, instead of building the game, it is giving me some of the ideas. No, build the please build the game for me. A simple one. Let's see. Okay, so again, so there you go, guys. I think the game developers, your jobs are safe for now, at least, because ChatGPT is not really complying and it's not building end-to-end game for me, even a simple one. So I know this is just a tryout on just to show you the game thing. Maybe if you know of a way to trick it, then let me know and I'll be happy to try it out. And I'll tell you the reason why I have built it. So guys, I will tell you the reason why I am trying out building the game. I stumbled upon to the tweet of Josh Allen here, and Josh Allen is simply has given this prompt, and then you can see that
Natural
ChatGPT is
language to
building
program
the
an
whole
entire
stuff,
retro arcade
the whole
video
game
game.
for it without
So we're going to start off by building the game with
asking
Missile
questions and
Command.
doing anything.
And it
just
starts
goes
pretty
on
simple
and on.
enough. You just
And
ask
within
it what
2-3
you want.
minutes or maybe more, I think this is just a speed up video. But it built the game. But in our case, it didn't. So let me try to use the same so, sort of prompt in ChatGPT and see, just like Josh, it builds the game for me or not. I'm using the same ChatGPT Plus, so shouldn't be any issues. Let me try it out. Let me make this screen a bit bigger. Okay, let's see. So the same prompt. So there you go. You see, instead of building the whole game for me, it is just giving me all the steps so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. If you know, let me know, or maybe it likes Josh more than me. Anyway, that's it. This was just a lighter note video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are aware of any other ways of making videos through ChatGPT, let me know and I'll be happy to make a video around it. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.